Hey guys, it's your girl Shanice, and today we're back with Vlogmas.
Day 2.
We're at Vlogmas day 2, my love. Can you believe it? So yeah. I'm dropping the boys off to school. It's a pretty bleaky morning, so we're all bundled up. Jameer's around the back sleeping. Let me show you. Jamie, want me okay? He's tired. They literally didn't go to bed early last night. They went in a little late. What time you guys went to bed last night? About 12 o'clock. They're night owls. So we have to drop off.
Well,
and
Mommy, I wanted to play with Jadon on Fortnite, but Daddy didn't came before it was 10 o'clock.
You hear me want to play Fortnite hours of the night. Listen to me. Let's go and drop these kiddies off. I can't. I don't even know what today is gonna be like because I have a slight headache and it's raining. So I hope it don't mash up any of my plans, but you know, we'll pivot as usual. So catch you in a few. These flies are getting to me. Get out, get out, get out, man. Jameer, don't lie back down. You gotta go. Let's see your face. Where these dirty flies come from? Let me see your face. Come, my love. Let me send down the back window. See if they'll go through it. I think there's a fly invasion or something like. Get out, bro. Jameer, wake up, my love. Jameer, that's why I tell you, you must go to your bed early, you know. You don't listen to mommy. Come drink some water. Okay, time. Close your mouth. It's currently raining, by the way. I have my umbrella on deck, luckily. So get your lunch bags, guys. I'm gonna go out and take you through this side. Alright? So guys, I literally just pulled into, let me go over this. So I literally just pulled into the parking lot where my shipping company is, because I was like, I need to go and get some packages. So as I was turning in, this gentleman said, "You want to ask me for a jump start?" I said, "Sir, yeah, sure, lady should give men jump starts, but luckily I have this battery pack that he can just clip on and he should be good to go." So I'm gonna see if I can help him out, guys.
First one I brand this shit?
Yes, I've never used it before. Never ever, and I just got it the other day too. Yep, peach sparks. Yeah. Wonderful.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, man, no problem. Alright, I'll lock it up for you. Right. What's your name?
Paul.
Paul? Alright, Paul. Have a wonderful day. You look familiar. Oh no. I thought it was closed. Morning. So I'm at the shipping company now. I'm here, so I look different. I'm vlogging today. You subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. You follow me on TikTok?
I think so.
Well, you're not sub to my YouTube. I'm newly back on YouTube, so you can sub. You get my name. When you get my packages. How many things I have here? How many packages I have? 2. 2? I think I'm more than that. And where is Aisha? Are they? Yeah, when she come back. I feel like a package missing because there should be something from Shein. Let me check. A big one. How much that? 5, 6? No, it's £5, sir. Listen, man, I have to make you take out the scale, you know. Thank you. So I got my packages. And it's not raining as it, so that's great. You love foolishness in the seats straight. So baby after school and everything. You know no more. You done?
1 4 year old I'm
You wash your hands clean. I don't miss it to girl, me done. I'm stressed.
Anyone me meet?
You must have pitney already.
I don't want.
I don't want no more. Can I give him none?
Don't want to pitney.
Hey, show me a drama, you know.
I don't want.
So guys, I find it very uncanny. So jumping back to the whole battery pack situation. So basically, as I was pulling in, he literally stopped my car. There was a car in front of me. There were cars passing out on the roadside, and he stopped me. So I was like, sir, why is it that you chose to stop me of all people, right? And he was saying he didn't have any reason to, but it's like he was led to, like something just say stop this person, right? And I feel like I was just in the right place at the right time, because I wasn't even supposed to be down here. I was just gonna stay at the boys' school and wait until the shipping company opened and then head down. But when I was parked up, I was like, sure, might as well just drive, go from now, right? So it just led me to believe that God has really been using me to help people, and it's something that I prayed for. Time indicator. You going out, sir? It's something that I literally prayed for. I kid you not. And it's not the first time that this has happened. It isn't. So of course you told me thanks, but if I can come out and help somebody in the smallest way possible, then it just warms my heart at the end of the day. And I recall a situation where I was driving on the bypass. If you live where I live, you know where the bypass is, and there's always like people out there selling stuff like donuts, shrimp, all of them, because something that them sell out there. And there was this lady selling donuts. Mind you, me, hey, them fly, I got make me murder them, you know. There was this lady selling donuts, right? So I passed like 2 men before I got to the lady. And usually I would just tell them to come in traffic. Usually if I'm stopping to buy donuts, because the boys love donuts, I just continue in the traffic, because traffic is sticky out there, so always. So what I do is I just continue in the traffic, and they just come to my window and I pay them and them walk with you and whatever. This day was different because I literally pulled off the road. Put an indicator, I'm gonna come off our road. Yeah, as a moms, we do use indicators. I'm pull off of the road and pass 2 other people before she, and I just stopped at her. So we were there and everything, just a normal encounter on a normal day. And I got my donut and I was ready to pay her. We didn't speak prior to this. It was just a transactional thing. She gave me my donut, I handed the money. So I asked her how much for it, and she said $800. So I had 1,000 and I had some change, like $300, because I wanted her to give me like a hard 500 or a $500 bill. When I say hard 500, people look at me weird, like, you don't know any hard $500? Either way, I digress. So she was looking at me weird, so I was like, you have any $500 bill? I said, hard 500. And she looked very confused. And like she said, she don't have no $500 bill, and she don't want to mix up the money. So she literally gave me back my $300 and then gave me $200 from her stash. So I was like, oh, that's fine. And she said, you know, I'm not as smart as you, I'm not as educated as you. And I was like, why would you say that? Just because, you know, we find ourselves in certain circumstances doesn't mean that, you know, we're not good enough, or we're not we're better than people in that sense. Because she was looking at me from a standpoint of I'm probably more educated, better off than her, and I'm like, you never know people's circumstances, and don't let that stop you. But maybe she said that from a place of, you know, not having any type of formal education, because it happens, but I don't know, I never asked. And as she was giving me my change now, I was like, you know that something sent me here to you. And as I said that, like, I literally get goosebumps. She even said she get goosebumps, and she like look up to the sky and she said, God thank you, God thank you. And I honestly don't know what her frame of mind was at that time, but she was just so grateful that God showed up for her, and we ended up having a deep conversation. Like, this is a stranger. I've never seen this woman in my life. We're just having a conversation about God and how God continues to show up for us in ways that we didn't even expect. The man I want me lick him down. You don't come out of the road, sir. In way God forgive me, but why the man are walking at the road when the light up on green? Either way. Don't upset my spirit, sir. So yeah, she was just saying, God nah forsake you. Like, she said that. She said, God nah forsake you. And that day, I needed that message. I probably didn't know that I needed that message, but I needed that message because I was going through so many things. And you know, sometimes you pray about things and you nah see the results, you nah see the answers. And you wonder if God really forget about you, but she gave me faith that day. She reiterated the fact that God is a timely God. He's not gonna work on your time, babes. If you want God to show up for you right now, I'm sorry for you. He's gonna show up when he wants to, when the time is right, when he sees fit, right? Not when we want, because if it's up to we alone, we get everything right now. Everything. We're like a instant, you know, like how we have instant cup soup. I feel like we're an instant generation, and I don't know why, and I've never really saw a problem with wanting stuff right now or instant gratification, whatever the case may be. The fact that we want it right now, when really and truly things take time. You ever plant a tree yet? How long does a tree take to bear fruit? Look on, like, that's as small as an example I can give. How long does a tree take to bear fruit after it's planted? You don't just plant a tree one day and get up tomorrow and when you look, fruit up on the tree. It takes time. You have to nurture it, you have to water it, it has to get sunlight, all the necessary things. So why is it that your life, why is it that you feel as if you must just get up every day and see the results? So you get up today, you start the business, you put it in the work, and you want to see results today. That's not how it works. And life is just life. And life is always lifing. But if I can leave one thing with you today, guys, it would be to just be kind, be patient, and just chart your own path. Chart your own path. Whether that be your faith, business, whatever the case may be. Chart your own path, give yourself grace, and know that things take time. And most importantly, know that God will not forsake you. He's never ever ever gonna forsake you. No matter where I go through right now. I literally just have a conversation with one of my girlfriends, and she just tell me how the trials that she's been going through. And at the end of the day, we both concluded that God is always gonna be there for us, and we must just be grateful. Everybody I go through it. We must be grateful for our struggles. You have people out there who are go through some things like you wouldn't even imagine, but just keep the faith, yeah, man, guys. Sorry for chatting your head off, but I just had to share, and I feel like I have so many testimonies to share with you guys. Because God has been using me now, and God has been shaping me. God has been in my life. God has been transforming me. And I said it in my intro video. I feel like I am expecting a blessing. I said this year, but whenever the blessing comes, it will come, because what is for me will always be for me. So I'm just grateful. I'm giving thanks for life, for my kids, for my family, for everything that God has been doing for me. Some things might not work out the way I want it to right now, but I just have to trust and believe that it will in its ordained time. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna go home now. Mr. Sir just called me and said, Shanice, where are you? I'm like, I didn't tell him that I was going to the shipping company, so he was expecting me home ages ago. So he was just checking on me, and I'm grateful for stuff like that. Like, just having somebody check up on you, that means a lot to me. I'm just a girl at the end of the day, guys. So yeah, catch you at home. We have a long day ahead of us. Good morning. Okay, guys, so I'm back home. Like, the place is just so gloomy. Like outside is just so gloomy. I honestly don't know. I hate when it rains because now I'm in a little rut, or I'm in a little mood that mimics the weather. But I want to do some cleaning today, so I'm making some breakfast first. Like I have a headache as usual. I make some tea, I make some eggs, and then I'll clean up the place because I want to like start decorating and stuff. So what we're working with, first off, I want to go ahead and change the curtains. I don't know if you can see, we'll have black curtains. The living room, black curtains. Over there, so I need to clean up bare dust. So I clean the console. Have a little love seat here. I have a couch cover for that, so I want to put on the couch cover. I'm gonna do some wiping, and I'm also gonna put up the Christmas tree. So yeah, that's what we have planned for today. So I think this is gonna be a little cleaning vlog. So clean with Shanice, guys. Clean with me, and let's see how much we can get done before the boys come home from school. So yeah. So I'm taking a quick little break because I am tired, okay? So we ordered a couple, oh my God. So yeah, we're changing out the curtains from black to red as I mentioned before. Hopefully you guys are seeing me kind of look a little lean. So yeah, I want to switch those out, and I got these, yeah, they're red. From Amazon, Joy Deco. If you need anything like this, or if you want the link, I'll be sure to add them to my description box below. So these are extra long curtains, guys. I think the dimensions are 180 inches long by 52 inches wide, and this should be 2 panels. Hello? Okay. Oh, I must have a heart attack. Come and say, huh? So yeah, 2 panels, 1 for each window. The front windows are pretty small, so I'll just use 1 each. And then the side windows are pretty wide, so we double up here. So I got 2 packs. This one, another one here, and then we're going to mix them with beige because the theme is beige and red. Or gold or red, like the theme all over the place, guys. Don't mind me, hopefully it all come together. So yeah, this is the red. I love the color, and it's so soft and durable. We got these from the same place, so I had to reorder. I just picked a different color. And if we need any for future, I'm definitely going to Joy Deco because Joy Decor, I'm assuming, I don't know. The quality is A1. So yeah, let's go and change these curtains. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm a Malta. Okay, this is what it's giving so far. Love the color, love, love, love. Love the color. Super long, 108 inches. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I have one more thing left to unbox. So I actually got a couch cover for this love seat. It better fit, you know? It better fit. May I tell it better fit? What is this? Oh, I also got some cushion covers. So this is so cute. I love the little packaging. Let's see what they look like. Hopefully the quality is as good in person. Because you know, sometimes I order these things online and they look cute, and then when you get them, the quality is not as great. So, just as I thought. I don't know if I like the quality of these. They were blue. There's a set of 4. This one says Merry Christmas. I think I'll use these 2 because they go with the theme, with the beige. I also have 2 more here that I want to pair with it. And then these 2 are blue. This is not in my theme this year, but it says I'll have it upside down. I'm ready to say Mons. It literally says Mons. Oh my god. But it really says let it snow. So I have these 2 extra pillow covers. Maybe I'll include it in a little giveaway. So if anyone wants these pillow covers, you can just comment down below. Comment fa la 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 la, and I'll give you these 2 pillow covers. I don't think I'll use them. Also guys, I want to incorporate a couple giveaways throughout this Vlogmas series. So I'll try and give away stuff like, for sure I have a lot of cosmetic products that I get from brands that you know I may not use, so I'll definitely create a little package and do a giveaway for those. I have wigs, I have swimwear, classes, courses, you name it. So I'm gonna put together a little giveaway package and see how best I can, you know, give back this Vlogmas season. So yeah, next thing is this is a top. It's supposed to be a crop top. The quality is amazing, I must say. I bought this because my pajama set that I bought, the top is too big. So I'm just gonna switch it out, wear the bottoms and pair with this because we want to take some pics this year. Last thing in my little haul. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's actually a throw for the couch. The color is off, right? I swore I chose beige, but this is nothing. This is even beige at all. This is giving brown. This is giving almost dusty pink. This is giving, I don't even know what color this is. I swear to you. But yeah, this is the throw that I wanted for the couch. It's so soft and comfortable. Let me not put it on me. But yeah, so I'm gonna fit the couch cover, see if it can work, see if I can get the pillows and try and sort out the couch. So that's it. I have nothing else in the mail. I did not order anything else. Yes, can you believe this is my last shipment for the year, guys? So let's do that. The dimensions on this, I've seen the dimensions, but I think it says it fits up to 60 inches wide. I measured the couch, so hopefully I was spot on. If not, I should be able to make it work still. So, let's see. Where is this supposed to go? Back here? I have no idea. No idea whatsoever. Am I even doing this right? Am I? See if this needs to be this. So this is how it's looking. I added the little throw to the side. Well, let me know if it's giving or not. Let me know if it's giving. Them pillows stubborn, them nah go down. I also have 2 more pillows to add here, so when I'm done you guys will see the finished look. Okay, the last thing left to do is to unbox this Christmas tree. So I also have this extra garland here that I want to put over here on the console. Let me move it out of the way in the meantime and get the tree out. I think this is a 6-foot tree. Got it last year or the year before. So we barely had it up. This is it. 3 pieces as well as the legs. There should be a screw that's supposed to keep it in place. Where is the screw? Okay guys, we're almost there, right? I feel like I've been fluffing forever, but we're almost done. We're at the last part here. I don't know why they make the top so sparse. Like it could have been fluffier at the top, I think. But I'm trying to fluff out as much as possible. Trying to get it as wide as possible. And try and bring down all the branches. I don't want to miss that branch. Everybody gets in fluff today. Of course, the place is a mess.
We got it.
Sit back, my love. So we've got the boys in the back, and I am going to surprise them. I have a little surprise for them, guys.
Well, I'm gonna dig in mommy's purse. I mean his pocket.
Listen, you're not supposed to go in ladies' purses or their pockets, okay, young man?
I'm gonna look in it.
They know what the surprise is, but you guys don't know what the surprise is.
Oh,
So
I know. It's.
what do you think it is?
I think it's the stuff where you bought.
But you saw those already. What do you mean? You saw them. How can that be the surprise when you saw them?
Mom.
Jamir, what do you think the surprise is?
I think it's a ball.
Alright, well, we'll see in due time.
I think it's a dice. I think it's
What do you think, Jamir? Tell me what you think.
I think
What do you think, my love?
I think it's something that none of us know.
Okay, let's see what the surprise is.
I think it's something that none of I know except you.
Okay, that's true. Let's go.
Can I just throw it in the car?
No.
Oh! You decorated! Cool? It's good. And Mama, they put their wood back here. I get new set. No, I get it fun. Whoa! Me too. And Mommy, this is so cool.
Like it?
Yeah, Mommy. It's so
The
good.
Christmas tree. I forgot to plug it in.
Yeah, plug it in. We have the money. Look at it. It's so good that I'm going to put my money in your purse. Mommy, can I put money in your purse? Okay. Wait, Mommy, I'm going to lift up. I'm going to see if I can lift up a tree.
No, you won't.
Yeah, when you do that, then you know we're going to take it down.
Wow.
Mommy, I have to put money in your purse to repair you.
Thank you.
Mom, can you take this off for me?
Sure. You have what?
New friend.
A new friend? Jamir wears your shirt. What do you think about the decorations? What do you think about the Christmas tree?
A double from the 2066.
What do you think about it?
2066, I love it. And I like the fact when the tree turns on. And yeah, but
What do you like about it?
the tree, the pillow, the couch, the thing. And I like everything what mommy made. Well, mommy, I like everything, and I like the video as well.
Okay, you look tired, man. Are you up to record a video now? You ready? Javi, what you have to say? What do you think about the Christmas tree?
I like it. I like all of it.
Like all of it? You want to decorate it? I didn't decorate it because I was waiting on you, boy, so we can decorate it together.
Oh, look, decorate the more.
First, I'm setting up ring lights. I also have 2 additional lights that I use. Boogsies, have you finished drinking your juice? See some more fire over here. Javi, you drank all your juice?
Yes, and now Jerry's swinging.
Come here, please don't swing touch your brother again.
Now Jerry's just swinging. I told you just swinging for the rain.
It's defective, that's why it's making that noise. It's just touching. Jessica, can you fix it, please? They can stop making the bag of noise. Switch the zapper for me. So we have products on deck. It's the Kisco drink mixes. We have our containers over here drying. Have the brief here, and the boys need to get ready. So this is our little setup, guys. Ring lights, supplementary lights, everything plugged in. Come on, let's go. Come here, come on. Right here. Sure, come.
Yeah, you press the number thing one more time and you log out in the video.
Okay, that's that, Javi Wabi. And from the video.
Yeah. He didn't press it.
Javi, get the hairbrush from me in the room, please.
Okay, Shanice.
Hey, stop calling Shanice.
Mommy.
Good boy. Nobody calls me Shanice. Love you. Stand up. Turn on the seat. The hairbrush is on the dresser. I used it this morning. Alright, come put on your clothes.
Which phone do we record our videos on?
This pink phone.
Every day?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Black phone
Mommy,
can be used to.
Are you tell me when you started, then I'm gonna pop.
Pop what? What you?
Pop it like this. Look.
Pop what? What are you gonna pop?
What? Pop out?
Oh, you wanna pop out and pop in? Alright, the mirror want dry. I can't put nothing in them because my hand can't hold.
You can't put anything in it.
Yeah, like a paper towel or something to dry them off. If you can dry. Dry off the outside, please. Here, Javi.
Okay, I don't know if
Dry this one.
no working.
These are the covers. Is the counter wet?
Mommy, I can't reach that far.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. My hand can't reach down there.
So, Mommy, you got to wait till it dry?
No, we can use it because we're going to put water in it anyways. Young man, no, put it
I
in.
didn't know what you got to do. Okay, Mommy, tell me when you start, then I'm gonna pop.
Okay. Starting. I'm joking. Just kidding. It was a prank.
It's ready for you and us. Okay, come. Tell me juice is already finished.
Who told him so Daddy I get no juice? Daddy ain't getting no juice.
Yes, he is. Well, Mom, the last time we did the Kissel, last time we were doing a Kissel drink video, and we were drinking the big ones, and Daddy didn't have any.
Yeah, because he wasn't here. Alright, so now we're going to do a little taste test.
Here. Okay.
Wait, my love.
Taste test.
Alright, hold on.
Okay, Daddy. Woo! Daddy, this one.
We're not ready yet.
Let me show you what I
guys.
Yeah, and I didn't make my produce it today. Okay.
Here's the juice. What?
You said when we finish that video, we didn't watch.
Okay, you can have 1 hour watching, and that's it. Okay, and then you have to do homework.
I didn't do homework, so.
You don't have homework?
I just heard Amy scream.
Yeah, hold on. We should go check on her.
Yeah, come on, let's go. She's probably fine. Come on, let's go. Amy!
Debbie, what you playing?
Amy, we heard you scream. Are you
Danny
okay?
girl, what's Danny girl all about? So I can close out the vlog. Guys, that is it for today. You think I should close out the vlog now, Jamie? I'm so tired.
Yeah.
My head hurts. Your mommy's head for me, please.
Dad didn't start my watching back.
Give me a second. So we had so much fun just now filming the videos, right, boys?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of filming today?
Making the juice.
Yeah, so we made the Kisco drink mix, and guys, they taste so good. You guys, if you have kids, you can try them out. They have 3 flavors, 3 new flavors: mango, ginger lemonade, and pineapple ginger. Jamir, what's your fave?
The ginger one.
Both of them have ginger. Javi, what's your fave, my love? Javi, over here, play a game.
My favorite was the ginger.
The ginger. Well, I think that I'm just gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog right here, because I have the Kisco drink mix video to go and edit so I can send off for approval, and then I have this vlog to edit as well. So my work is cut out for me, and I think that's a wrap for today. Hopefully I had enough content for a memorable and fun-filled vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna just take a little 5 and chill with these kitties, and then I'm gonna jump right into editing. Oh, and also I wanted to show you guys what the tree and the lights look like in the night. So I'm gonna add a little clip here later on with like the finished results of everything when the lights are on, and I think it's a vibe. Let me know in the comments what you think, and until then, I'll see you guys for Vlogmas Day 3. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
You're becoming a crack. Peace.